Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, student? I hope you are fine. Okay, today's lesson is about descriptive text. Descriptive text is a kind of text that describes something, person, animals in particular or details. Descriptive text is text which say what a person or things is like. The purpose of descriptive text is to describe someone or something specifically to the readers in particular or details. So that is use an adjective word. Descriptive text in this material we will discuss on about 1. People around us, 2. Things around us, 3. Animals. The generic structure of descriptive text. First, identification. It is a part of paragraph which introduces or identifies the character. Second, description. It is a part of paragraph which describes the character. Language features of descriptive text. First, it usually uses present tense in sentences, so use verb 1. Second, it is usually uses some adjective in many sentences. Do you know adjective is kata sifat? Third, it is usually in the first person or in the third person. Okay, student, attention to this text. This text title is Paris. It has 2 paragraphs. Each paragraph there are many yellow printing words. Do you know, student? The yellow printing words is an adjective. The yellow printing words is an adjective. So it shows the identification of each Paris places. From that text, it contains 2 generic structures. First is identification. So the sentence in identification show the spatial characteristics of Paris. But the second one is description. The description sentence it's how more generally than identification. Okay, student, you can pay attention on each word that is yellow printing. Attention to this text of descriptive text about my best friend Lina. After that, try to comprehend each sentence of it, and then let's to practice. Try to answer the question below. This is the question of practice 1. Let's practice it. Answer the question number 1 until number 7 correctly. After read the text about him. Next, read the descriptive text about my best friend Bambang. Try to comprehend its sentencing and observation. What is the differences of the first text and second text? After that, let's to practice the question of the second text. After read the second text, let's practice answer the question number 1 until number 7 correctly. After we read two texts and to comprehend it clearly, so make a descriptive text. Please answer the following question to help you write it. And it can you do as a homework. So the answer you can see at the next slide. If we answer the question correctly, so we can arrange a text like this. Pay attention and then imitate your text at home based on your own formation. Thank you very much, the student. See you next time. Goodbye and save your healthy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.